Steinmiller appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answers. In paper 1 she answered 25 questions incorrectly and in paper 2 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. So it's a competitive exam in which if you give a wrong answer they will reduce 1 mark from your total. So there are two papers in it. In the first paper she answered 25 questions wrong and in the second paper she answered 13 questions wrong. So they are asking what is the total reduction of marks. So find the number of marks which will be detected from paper 1 and in paper 2, and both the values we have to do addition so that we can find the total reduction of marks. Reduction of marks in paper 1. So as we saw in the question that for each wrong answer they are going to reduce 1 mark. So if there are 2 wrong answers then it is minus 2. If 3 wrong answers it's minus 3. And since she has answered 25 wrong questions, the number of marks reduced will be 25 multiplied by minus 1. And 25 multiplied by minus 1, the value is minus 25. Reduction of marks in paper 2. She has answered 13 questions wrong. So 13 multiplied by minus 1. So the value is minus 13. So to find the total reduction of marks, add the value of paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 value is minus 25 and paper 2 value is minus 13. And when you add these two, we'll get minus 38. In a quiz competition, Team A scored plus 30, minus 20, 0 and Team B scored minus 20, 0, plus 30 in 3 successive rounds. Which team will win? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So there are 3 rounds in it. In the first round, Team A got plus 30 and Team B got minus 20. And in the second round, Team A got minus 20 and Team B got 0. And in the third round, Team A got 0 and Team B got plus 30. So to find who's the winner, first we need to find the total score of each team, and by comparing we can say who win the competition. First we need to find the total score of Team A, and for that we need to add the points which they have scored in 3 rounds. So that is plus 30 plus minus 20 plus 0. Plus 30, remove the brackets, you will get minus 20 plus 0. So plus 30 minus 20, the value is plus 10. So next we need to find the total score of Team B. So that is minus 20 plus 0 plus 30. So minus 20 plus 0 plus 30, so the value is plus 10. So Team A also scored plus 10 and Team B also scored plus 10. Since both the team got plus 10 value, score of Team A is equal to score of Team B, and we can add integers in any order. As you could have seen, the values are minus 20 plus 30 and 0, and the score of Team A and Team B is not in the same order, it was in a different order, but while adding you got the same value. So we can add integers in any order.